Meaning of due.
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 Due. The word due has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. The most common definition of due is something that is owed or expected at a certain time. For example, if you have a bill due, it means that you owe payment by a specific date. Another meaning of due is something that is appropriate, necessary, or deserved. In this sense, it can be used to describe a rightful entitlement or recognition for someone's work or achievement. Overall, due usually describes a sense of obligation or expectation regarding a particular outcome or action.